Hey everyone! Today you will learn about the purchase receipts in Zoho Inventory. Let's first understand what a purchase receipt is. A purchase receipt is a document that is used to record the items that are delivered or yet to be delivered by your vendor to your warehouses. Creating purchase receipts helps you keep track of the items that you receive from your vendor. You can also calculate the stock on hand of an item based on purchase receipt. First, let's see how to create a purchase receipt in Zoho Inventory. Log into your Zoho Inventory account. Go to the Purchase Order module on the left sidebar. Now, open the purchase order for which you have received the items recently. Click the Receive button on top of the page. Here, the purchase receipt number is auto-generated. However, if you wish to manually add the purchase receipt number, you can click the gear icon next to this field and choose the option I will add them manually each time. Now, enter the quantity of items you wish to receive. Alternatively, you can also scan your item and add them here. Next, you can either receive all your items or partially receive them. The status of the receive will be updated accordingly. In this video, we will receive the items partially. You can add any notes for internal use. If you have already received the items, you can click Save as Received. For orders that you have not received, click the arrow next to Save as Received and select Save as in Transit. Now, you have successfully created a purchase receipt. You can view this under the Receipts tab. You can also view the receipt status here. Once you have received all the items and the final bill from the vendor, you can convert the receipt into a bill. Click on Convert to Bill. A new page will open along with all the details automatically fetched from the receipt. Suppose you want to download all your purchase receipts from Zoho Inventory in the XLS, CSV or TSV format. You can click the hamburger icon and click Export Receipts. If you wish to add some additional fields for your purchase receipt, you can add them as custom fields. To do this, go to Settings, Preferences, Purchase Receipts, and click the plus new custom field. Here, enter all the necessary information and click Save. This field will appear while you record a receipt. That's it for now, folks. If you have any queries, feel free to contact us at support@zohoinventory.com. Thank you.